Welcome back to my class, Easy Maths by Kumar. Students, in the last class, we have solved exercise 4.1 and 4.2 in pair of linear equations in two variables for class 10 students. Now we are going to solve exercise 4.3. This is the last exercise in this chapter. See here, the first question is like this. Solve the following equations by reducing them to pair of linear equations. Solve the following linear equations by reducing them into linear equations. Okay. Here the first question is 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 2, and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equals to 1. Here, my dear students, if you observe the first two terms, 5 by x minus 1, 6 by x minus 1. So here this 1 by x minus 1 is common. So this 1 by x minus 1, we should take it as a. This 1 by x minus 1 is equals to a or some p or some other variable. Okay. Similarly here this y by y minus 2, here also 1 by y minus 2 is there, 3 by y minus 2. That means this is equals to b. Now we can reduce this given equations into 5a plus b is equals to 2, and here this is 6a minus 3b is equals to 1. Okay, 5a plus b is equals to 2, 6a minus 3b is equals to 1. Okay, see, if you observe the b coefficients here, the coefficient of b is 1 and the coefficient of b is minus 3 here. See, if you multiply this equation 1 and equation 2, equation 1 with 3, here this equation 2 with 1, then what we get here? 3 times 5 is 15a plus 3 times b is 3b is equals to 3 times 2 is 6. See, if you multiply with equation 2 with 1, again we will get 6a minus 3b is equals to 1 only. This is equation 2, this is equation number 3. Now what we are going to do here is, just by adding equation 2 and equation 3 here, 15a plus 3b is equals to 6 and 6a minus 3b is equals to 1. By adding the two equations, that means equation 3 and equation 2. So here this plus 3b minus 3b get cancelled. So this 21a is equals to 6 plus 1 is 7. So this a is equals to 7 by 21. This is equals to 1 by 3. So what is the value of a, students? 1 by 3. Okay. Actually we have to find the values of x and y. Why this equation, both the equations, the variables are here. The variables of these two equations are x and y. Okay. So this a is equals to 1 by 3. Now substitute a is equals to 1 by 3 in equation 1. Okay, that means, what is equation 1? 5a plus b is equals to 2. That means 5 into 1 by 3 plus b is equals to 2. This is implies 5 into 1 by 3 plus b is equals to 2. That means 5 by 3 plus b is equals to 2. So b is equals to 2 minus 5 by 3. When you transpose this plus 5 by 3 to the other side, it becomes minus 5 by 3. Okay, so this is equals to 3 2s are 6 minus 5 by 3. So b is equals to 6 minus 5 is 1 by 3. Okay. See, my dear students, here this b is equals to 1 by 3. A is also equals to 1 by 3. But these are not the required values. Actually, a means what? What is a? What is a here? 1 by x minus 1 is equals to a. That means this 1 by x minus 1 is equals to 1 by 3. A is equals to 1 by 3. So the numerators are equal and the two fractions are equal. Therefore we can what? Equalize the denominators. That means x minus 1 is equals to 4. So x is equals to 4 plus 1, that is equals to 5. So the value of x is equals to what? Sorry, x minus 1 is equals to 3. So x is equals to 3 plus 1. So this is equals to 4. So x value is equals to 4. Coming to here b means 1 by y minus 2. 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 1 by 3. See here, just numerators are equal and both the fractions are equal, therefore we can equalize the denominators. That means y minus 2 is equals to 3. So here this y is equals to 3 plus 2, so y is equals to 5. That means here this x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 5. See my dear students, here we can verify the values of x and y are whether they are correct or not by substituting these two values in any one of the equation. Okay, let us substitute in first equation. What is the first equation? 5 by x minus 1, that means 5 by x minus 1 means 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 1 by y minus 2, that means 1 by 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. 1 by 5 minus y minus 2, that means 5 minus 2, that is 3, that is 1 by 3. So 5 plus 1 is 4, 4 by 3. Okay, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 by 3, that is equals to 2. So here the RH is also equals to 2. Coming to the second bit in this first set, solve the following equations by reducing them to pair of linear equations. Okay, what is the first equation here given? The first equation is x plus y by xy is equals to 2. See my dear students, here x plus y is equals to, just transpose this xy to other side, then it is equals to 2xy. Similarly here also this x minus y is equals to this xy, it is in the denominator. So when it goes to other side, right hand side, it becomes multiply, it will multiply. Right, x minus y is equals to 6xy. Now what we do here, just divide this entire equations with xy here. That means x by xy plus y by xy is equals to 2xy by xy. Similarly here also x by xy minus y by xy is equals to 6xy by xy. That means what I did here my dear students, just I am divide both sides with xy. Okay, now my dear students, here this x and x get cancelled, so this is implies 1 by y plus here this y get cancelled, so that is 1 by x is equals to, here xy cancel, this is equals to 2. Similarly this x get cancelled, that is 1 by y minus y get cancelled, this is equals to 1 by x. Now xy cancel, this is equals to 6. See my dear students, now let us take this 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b. That means instead of this 1 by y, we can take b plus a is equals to 2. Here this is b minus a is equals to 6. So b plus a is equals to 2 and b minus a is equals to 6. That means we reduce the given equations into system of linear equations like this. Okay, now it is very simple, just by adding these two equations, that means let this equation is 1 and this equation is 2, just by adding equation 1 plus equation 2, then what we get here, look here, b plus a is equals to 2 and the equation 2 is b minus a is equals to 6. Okay, that means plus a minus a get cancelled, 2b is equals to a, b is equals to 8 by 2, that is equals to 4. So the value of b is equals to 4. Let us substitute this b is equals to 4 in equation 1. Substitute b is equal to 4 in equation 1. What is equation 1? b plus a is equals to 2. Let us substitute 4 plus a. Let us substitute b is equals to 4 in equation 1. 4 plus a is equals to 2, a is equals to 2 minus 4. That means a is equals to minus 2. So what is a, students, here actually? A means here 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b here. So 1 by x is equals to minus 2 and 1 by y is equals to 4. Okay, 1 by x is equals to minus 2, 1 by y is equals to 4. That means x is equals to what? Look here, So this is minus 2x is equals to 1. That means x is equals to minus 1 by 2. Similarly, this 4y is equals to 1. That means y is equals to 1 by 4. So the values of x and y are minus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 4. Coming to the third bit in this first set, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equals to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equals to minus 1. Okay. Here, my dear students, here it is 1 by root x, here also 1 by root x. 1 by root x is common here in both the equations. Similarly, 1 by root y, that means 3 into 1 by root y. Here 9 into 1 by root y. That means 1 by root y is equals to common. Therefore, here also we can take this 1 by root x is equals to a and 1 by root y is equals to b. Now these equations will be reduced as 2a plus 3b is equals to 2 and 4a minus 9b is equals to minus 1. Okay. See, if you observe the two equations here, the coefficient of a is 2 here, but the coefficient of b a is 4. That means we can multiply this first equation with 2, then we will get the same coefficients 4, 4. That is one method. Otherwise, here the coefficient of b in the first equation is 3 and the coefficient of the second equation of b is minus 9. That means if it is enough that if you multiply this equation 1 with 3, okay, I will proceed the second way. That means just multiply here. 2 into 3, that is 6a, and 3 into 3, that is 9b, is equals to 3 into 2 is 6. That means 6a plus 9b is equals to 6. So this equation no need to multiply with any other number, right? Now this is equation 3. Now what we did here? Equation 2 plus equation 3. That means what is equation 2? That is 4a minus 9b is equals to minus 1. What is equation 3? 6a plus 9b is equals to 6. So by adding the two equations, plus 9b and minus 9b both get cancelled. So 4a plus 6a is equals to 10a. It is equal to what is minus 1 plus 6? That is equals to plus 5. Minus 1 plus 6 is equals to plus 5. So my dear students, here a is equals to 5 by 10. So that is equals to 1 by 2. So the value of a is equals to 1 by 2. Value of a is 1 by 2. Now just substitute this value of a is equals to 1 by 2 in either in equation 1 or equation 2. Okay. So substitute a is equals to 1 by 2 in equation 1, right? So what is equation 1? 2a plus 3b is equals to 2. That means 2 into a means 1 by 2 plus 3b is equals to 2. So 2 get cancelled. That means 1 plus 3b is equals to 2. So what is 3b, students? 3b is equals to 2 minus 1. So 3b is equals to 1. b is equals to what? 1 by 3. So a is equals to 1 by 2 and b is equals to 1 by 3. Actually, what is a? A means 1 by root x. So that is 1 by root x is equals to a is what? 1 by 2. So here also the numerators are equals to 1 and these two fractions are equal. That means this root x is equals to 2. Similarly, what is b, students? B means 1 by root y. So this is 1 by root y is equals to 1 by 3. Here also this root y is equals to 3. Similarly, that root y is equals to 3. So my dear students, actually we want x and y values, not root x and root y. So just by squaring on both sides, see here root x whole square is equals to 2 square. That means square and root get cancelled. That x is equals to 4. And here also root y whole square is equals to 3 square. That means square and root get cancelled, that y is equals to 9. So x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 9. Let us verify now, my dear students. See, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equals to 2. Let us substitute these values of x and y in the given equation, either in equation 1 or equation 2. Okay, let us substitute. What is x? 4. That means root 4 is 2. So 2 by 2 is 1. Similarly, root y is equals to 9. That means root y is equals to root 9 is equals to 3. 3 by 3 is also equals to 1. That means this value is 1. This value is 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Okay, that means that values of x and y are 4 and 9. Coming to the fourth bit in this first set, 6x plus 3y is equals to 6xy, 2x plus 4y is equals to 5xy. Okay, here let us divide these two equations with xy. Divide with xy. Divide with xy. Then what? This equation will change to what? 6x by xy plus 3y by xy is equals to 6xy by xy. Similarly, 2x by xy plus 4y by xy is equals to 5xy by xy. Okay. Now, my dear students, if after cancelling this xx, yy, xy, xy, xx, yy, xy, xy, the new equation is 6 by y plus 3 by x is equals to 6. Similarly, here 2 by y plus 4 by x is equals to 5. Okay. Now, my dear students, here let us take this 1 by x as small a. Let this 1 by x is equals to small a and 1 by y is equals to small b. That means this first equation is reduced as 6b plus 3a, 6b plus 3a is equals to 6 and 2b plus 4a is equals to 5. Okay, 6b plus 3a is equals to 6 and 2b plus 4a is equals to 5. See, my dear students, here just if you take what? 3 as common, then this equation will be changed to what? 2b plus a is equals to 2 into 3. Now just cancel this 3 and 3 here. Then finally 2b plus a is equals to 2. Here this 2b plus 4a is equals to 5. Now, my dear students, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. By subtracting equation 2 minus 1, subtracting this equation 1 from the 2, that means 2 minus 1, 2b plus 4a is equals to 5 and 2b plus a is equals to 2. Right. 2b plus 4a is equals to 5 and 2b plus a is equals to 2. That means after we subtracting, the signs will be changed. Now here this 2 cancelled. 4a minus a is 3a, 5 minus 2 is 3. That means a is equals to 3 by 3, that is equals to 1. Let us substitute this a is equal to 1 in any one of the equation, either in equation 1 or equation 2. So from equation 1, so here 2b plus a means what? 1 is equals to 2. That means 2b is equals to 2 minus 1. So 2b is equals to 1. That means b is equals to 1 by 2. So what is a and what is b? See here, this a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 1 by 2. Actually, what is a, my dear students? A is 1 by x. That means that 1 by x is equals to 1. So x is equals to 1. Similarly, 1 by y is equals to 1 by 2. So y is equals to 2. Therefore, the values of x and y are 1 and 2 respectively. See, we can do the verification now. 6x plus 3y is equals to 6xy. Actually x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2. Let us substitute here. If you substitute the value of x here, x and y in this first equation or in the second equation, that both LHS and RHS should be equal, then only it is verified. Okay, let us substitute here. 6 into 1, 6 plus 3 into 2, what? 6. So 6 into 1, 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. And 6 into x is 1, y is 2. That means 6 into 1 into 2, that is also 12. So both LHS and RHS are equal. Therefore, hence it is verified. Coming to the last bit in this first set, in this exercise 4.3, 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equals to 3 by 4, and 1 by 2 times 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 of 3x minus y is equals to minus 1 by 8. Okay, here this 1 by 3x plus y, 1 by 3x plus y is common. So my dear students, here let this 1 by 3x plus y is equals to a. Similarly, this 1 by 3x minus y is equals to b. Let us take this 1 by 3x plus y as a and this 1 by 3x minus y as b. Okay. Now, these equations, those two given equations have been changed to what? A plus b is equals to 3 by 4, and here this 1 by, in the second equation, from second equation, 1 by 2 into a plus, sorry, minus, here minus is there. So, minus 1 by 2 into b is equals to minus 1 by 8. Okay, let us just simplify here. This is a minus b by 2 is equals to minus 1 by 8. A minus b by 2 is equals to minus 1 by 8. So here you can cancel this 2 in 8 4 times. That means 4 of a minus b is equals to minus 1. 4 of a minus b is equals to minus 1. That means 4a minus 4b is equals to minus 1. See, similarly here, just multiply with 4 here. 4 of a plus b is equals to 3. That means 4a plus 4b is equals to 3. 4a plus 4b is equals to 3. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay. See, just by adding equation 1 and equation 2, what is equation 1? 4a plus 4b is equals to 3 and 4a minus 4b is equals to minus 1. That means 4a plus 4b is equals to 3 and 4a minus 4b is equals to minus 1. Just by adding the two equations, these two will be get cancelled. So this 8a is equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. So a is equals to 2 by 8, that is equals to 1 by 4. So my dear students, the value of a is 1 by 4. Okay. Now from equation 1, or here you can substitute. This is easy. A plus b is equals to 3 by 4. Substitute a is equals to 1 by 4 in a plus b is equals to 3 by 4. A plus b is equals to 3 by 4. That means 1 by 4, this is implies 1 by 4 plus b is equals to 3 by 4. That means b is equals to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So b is equals to 2 by 4. That's so what is the value of b? B is equals to 1 by 2. Why? 2 by 4 means here 1 times and 2 times. 2 table in 2 in 1 times and 4 2 times. That is 1 by 2. Okay. So a is equals to 1 by 4 and b is equals to what? 1 by 2. A is equals to 1 by 4 and b is equals to 1 by 2. So my dear students, actually what is a? A is equals to 1 by 3x plus y. Okay. I will change the colors. Right. See, actually a means 1 by 4, that is 1 by 3x plus y. That means 1 by 3x plus y is equals to 1 by 4. So, similarly this 3x plus y is equals to 4. Right. Now coming to the value of b, 1 by 2, that is 1 by 3x minus y. So 1 by 3x minus y is equals to 1 by 2. So that is 3x minus y is equals to 2. So this is equation 3 and equation 4. Let this equation as 3 and this is equation 4. Just by adding these two equations, equation 3 and 4, that means this 3x plus y is equals to 4 and 3x minus y is equals to 2. Just by adding the two equations, both plus y and minus y get cancelled. So here 3x plus 3x is 6 is equals to 6. So x is equals to 6 by 6, that is equals to 1. So the value of x is equals to 1. Now just substituting this value of x is equals to 1 in equation what? Here, any one of the equation. It is better to substitute in equation what? 3, yeah, here 3 or 4. Right, from equation 3, what is equation 3? 3x plus y is equals to 4. That means 3 into x is what? 1. 3 into 1 plus y is equals to 4. That means 3 plus y is equals to 4. So y is equals to 4 minus 3. So y is also 1. That means the value of x is 1, the value of y is also equals to 1. Let us verify now, my dear students. Let us substitute here. 1 by 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. That means this value is 4. 1 by 4. Just I will write here. 1 by 4. Again I am telling you, just substitute the values of x and y in equation, first equation. So 1 by 3 into 1, 3 plus y is 1. 1 by 3 plus 1, that is 1 by 4. Similarly 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is 1 by 2. Okay. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. That means this 1 by 4 plus this 1 by 2 is written as 2 by 4. 1 by 2 as written as 2 by 4. So that is equals to 3 by 4. So this LHS is 3 by 4 and even the RHS is also 3 by 4. See, my dear students, just I have left two questions in this first set. Please do those sums also as homework. Okay. Second set in this exercise 4.3. The question is like this. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and find their solution. Okay. The first bit is like this in second set. A boat goes 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. Okay. In 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream. Determine the speed of the stream and that of the boat in still water. Okay. Actually, here there are two cases here. In the first case, this is the first case and this is the second case. Here, my dear students, in the first case, a boat goes 30 kilometers. It traveled 30 kilometers upstream. Upstream means the boat is travel against the water, opposite to the stream. Understand? It is the boat is traveling. It is opposite to the stream. If the stream is moving in this direction, means the boat is against to the boat. That against to the stream. That means this boat is traveling in the opposite direction like this. In such a case, actually, it is difficult to travel. That means that speed of the boat should be more than the speed of the stream. Then only it can overcome the what? Stream during this upstream situation. Okay, now in the second case, 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream. Upstream and downstream. Okay, 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream. In the second case, so it takes just 10 hours what? To travel this 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream. Now coming to the second situation here, second case, it can go 40 kilometers upstream, 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream just in 13 hours. So what is the time taken? 13 hours. Okay. So now we have to determine the speed of the stream and the speed of the boat in still water. Actually, that speed of the boat should be more than the speed of the water stream. Okay. First we will take here, let the speed of the what? Speed of the boat is equals to x kilometer per hour, and let the speed of the what? Boat in still water. Let the speed of the boat in still water is equals to y kilometer per hour. Okay. So this is y kilometer per hour. As I told you, the speed of the boat should be more than what? Speed of the water, speed of the water, that means stream. Okay. Here upstream 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream. Okay. Actually, here it is given in these situations given in time, the total duration 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. Similarly, here in the second case 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream in 13 hours. Okay. Actually, speed is equals to distance by time. So what is speed into time is equals to distance. So time is equals to distance by speed. Okay. Now, if the boats are traveling, if a boat is traveling in the direction of the water stream, then the relative speed will be what? That speed of the boat plus speed of the stream. The relative speed will be what? Speed of the boat in still water plus speed of the stream. So we should add x plus y here. In this case, x plus y. If both are in the same direction. Understand, students? Suppose if they are in opposite direction, that means this is the stream and this is the boat. They are in the opposite direction. That means here the relative speed should be equals to x minus y. That means the speed of the boat minus the speed of the stream. Okay. So my dear students, the relative speed of boat and stream in upward direction, that means in upstream, that is equals to x minus y kilometer per hour. Okay. Similarly, the relative speed of boat and stream in downward direction, that is equals to, as I told you, that is x plus y. That means speed of the boat plus speed of the stream. Okay. See, this is the relative speed of the boat and speed of the stream in upstream. Speed of the boat and speed of the stream in upstream. Here this is equals to x minus y kilometer per hour. In the second case, the relative speed of what? Boat and stream in downward direction is x plus y kilometer per hour. Okay. When they are in the same direction, but that means in the downward direction, downward means the speed of the water and the boat are in the same direction. There the relative speed is x plus y. Okay, if they are in the opposite direction, if the stream is in this direction and the boat is in this direction, means opposite direction, means the relative speed is x minus y kilometer per hour. Okay. Now my dear students, here this combination is given in time. upstream plus downstream in 10 hours, and here in this case this same boat travels 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream in 13 hours. Okay, here 10 hours. So just observe this time is equal to distance by time. That means here we should change these two situations into what? Time. Why? Here it is given in time. The total, in two situations, the duration is given here. The total time is given here. Here is 10 hours, here is 55 kilometers. Sorry, here is 10 hours, here is 13 hours. Okay. Now my dear students, distance here in the upstream is what? 30 kilometers. The boat is traveled 30 kilometers in upstream. That means in the first case, my dear students, 30 by upstream means the relative speed is what? Distance by speed. The relative speed is what? X minus y. That means 30 by x minus y plus here 44 kilometers downstream. That means 44 by the relative speed is x plus y. So this is equals to 10. Now coming to the second situation here, my dear students, 40 kilometers upstream. That means 40 by x minus y plus 55 by x plus y. So in this case, this total time is equals to 13 hours. Here we changed it into time. So the time taken to travel in the two situations is 10 hours. Here also the time taken to travel the same boat in two situations, upstream 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream is equals to 13 hours. Okay. Now my dear students, here what we did in the previous sums in the first set, just we reduce these equations into what? Linear equations. Like that, here also what? Let 1 by x minus y is equals to a, and this 1 by x plus y is equals to b. Let us take here. So that means this equation will be changed to 30a plus 44b is equals to 10, and similarly here 40a what? Plus 55b is equals to 13. Okay. Now my dear students, if you observe the two equations here, the coefficient of a is 30 here, and here the coefficient of a is 40. Let us multiply. This is equation 1 and equation 2. Let us multiply this equation 1 with 40 and this equation 2 with 30. That means that the coefficient of a of equation 1. Okay, let us multiply now. This equation 1 with multiply with 40, and this equation 2 just multiply with what? 30. Right. Now these equations are changed to 40 into 30 is 1200 a plus 40 into 44 1760 b is equals to 40 into 10 is 400. Now similarly here 30 into 40 is 1200 a plus, now multiply 30 into 55 into 30. So that is 1650 b is equals to 13 into 30. This 13 also we should multiply with 30. Okay, so this is what? 390. This value is equals to 390. So my dear students, I think you can see the board, right? So this is equation 2 and this is equation 3. Now here the coefficients of a's are equal. The coefficients in both the situation, both the equations, the coefficients of a are 1200. Here it is also 1200. Now what I do here is what? Just subtracting this equation 3 and 4. 3 minus 4. This is equation 3. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. Okay. So what is equation 3? Here I will write. What is equation 3? 1200a plus 1760b is equals to 400. Similarly, what is equation 2? Equation 4? 1200a plus 1650b is equals to 390. Okay. By subtracting the two equations here, minus, here it is also minus, both will get cancelled. Okay. Now here 1760 minus 1650b. Look here. So this is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1. This is 110b is equals to 400 minus 390 is 10. Okay. So b is equals to 10 by 110. So 0, 0 get cancelled. Finally, it is equals to 1 by 11. Okay. Now let us substitute this b is equals to 1 by 11 in any one of the equation, either in the equation 1 or equation 2. Okay. So from equation 1, what is equation 1? 30a plus 44b is equals to 10. Right. 30a plus 44 into b is 1 by 11 is equals to 10. Right. Here this 11 in 44 4 times. So 30a plus 4 is equals to 10. So 30a is equals to 10 minus 4. That means 30a is equals to 6. See here, a is equals to 6 by 30. So that is equals to 1 by 5. So here the value of a is 1 by 5. A is 1 by 5 and b is 1 by 11. Okay. Now my dear students, actually a is equals to what? 1 by x minus y and b is equals to 1 by x plus y. That means here this 1 by x minus y is equals to 1 by 5. Similarly, this 1 by x plus y is equals to 1 by what? 1 by x minus y is a. A is 1 by 5 and b is 1 by 11. Okay. Now, here this x minus y should be equal to 5 and this x plus y is equals to 11. X minus y is equals to 5 and this x plus y is equals to 11. Just by adding the two equations here, again what? This plus y and minus y get cancelled. So this 2x is equals to 16. So x is equal to 16 by 2, that is equals to 8. So what is x? X means the speed of the boat. So what is the speed of the boat here? So the speed of the boat is, here the speed of the boat is 8 km per hour. So my dear students, here x is equals to 8. Similarly, my dear students, here let us find the value of y. That means the speed of the boat in still water, that is equals to y. So y means here, let us substitute this x is equals to 8 in equation, any one of the equation here, where x plus y is equals to 11. Here this x plus y is equals to 11 or x minus y is equals to 5. Anywhere you can substitute. That means 8 minus y is equals to 5. That means minus y is equals to 5 minus 8. So y is equals to 3. So x is equals to 8 and y is equals to 3 here. That means the speed of the water boat is equals to 8 km per hour and the speed of the boat in still water is equals to 3 km per hour. Again I will repeat in second question in this exercise. Rahim travels 600 kilometers to his home partly by train and partly by car. Total 600 kilometers. Train, car. Here it is train and car. Total distance is 600 kilometers. He takes 8 hours. If he travels 120 kilometers by train and rest by car, that means 600 minus 120, that is what? 480 kilometers by car. So the total time is 8 hours here. Okay. In this situation, the time taken 120 kilometers by train and 480 kilometers by car. So it takes 8 hours. Similarly, my dear students, here he takes 20 minutes more than if he travels 200 kilometers by train and rest of the distance by car, that means 600 minus 200, that is equals to 400 kilometers by car. In what? He takes 20 minutes more, that means 8 hours plus 20 minutes. 8 hours plus 20 minutes. So let us change this 20 minutes is also into hours, that means 8 hours plus 20 by 60. 20 by 60. So this is what? 2 0 0 get cancelled. Here it is 1, here is 3. So that is 8 plus 1 by 3. So 3 8s are 24 plus 1. This is 25 by 3 hours. So in this second situation, what? If he travels that, who is this? Rahim travels 200 kilometers by train and 400 kilometers by car, then he will take 25 by 3 hours. The total duration of the journey is 25 by 3 hours. Okay. I hope you understand this. So my dear students, here in these two situations, time is given. Rahim travels 120 kilometers and 480 kilometers by train and car in 8 hours. Even here also 200 kilometers and 400 kilometers by 25 by 3 hours. That means 20 minutes more, of course. That means 8 hours plus 20 minutes. See, you know that speed is equals to distance by time. Okay, speed into time is equals to distance. Here it is given time, that means distance by speed. Actually what we have to find the speed of the train and the speed of the car. Okay, let us write fast. Let the speed of the train is equals to x kilometer per hour and speed of the car is equals to y kilometer per hour. Okay, let us find x and y here. So my dear students, in this situation, in the first situation, in the case 1 and case 2, in the first situation, 120 kilometers by train and 480 kilometers by car. So the total duration is 8 hours. That means this 120 kilometers, what is the time taken to what? Travel 120 kilometers by train. That means train speed is x kilometer per hour. That means, so here distance by speed, that is 120 by speed of the train is x, plus in the second situation the speed of the car is y. So distance is 480. So the time taken to travel 480 kilometers by car is equals to 480 by y. So it is equals to 8. Similarly, coming to the second situation here, in this situation, the distance traveled by train is equals to 200 kilometers. That is 200 by x. That is the time taken to travel 200 kilometers by train is equals to 200 by x, plus here the distance is 400 and the speed of the car is y. So here this is equals to 25 by 3. Okay. So here the first equation is 120 by x plus 480 by y is equals to 8. And in the second equation 200 by x plus 400 by y is equals to 25 by 3. Now my dear students, here 25, let us multiply this equation. What? Just take the 200 as common. Even here also. So what is the common factor here? 120 is the common here. Just take 120 as common or 8 as common here. Yeah, you can take 8 as common. Okay, that means if you take 8 as common in 120, so 1 8 is 8, 4 0, 5 8s are 40. So that means 15 by x plus here, if you take 8 as common here in this equation, 60, 6 8s are 48. Yeah, 60 by y is equals to what? 8. So now this 8 get cancelled. That means 15 by x plus 60 by y, it is equals to 1. 15 by x plus 60 by y is equals to 1. Similarly here, if you take 25 as common here, then what? 8 by x plus here 16 by y, 16 by y, 25 16s are 400 is equals to 25 by 3. Now just cancel this 25 and 25 here. Now my dear students, finally here what is there? 8 by x plus 16 by y is equals to 1 by 3. Here also 15 by x plus 60 by y is equals to 1. Now my dear students, let us take this 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b. That means just we are reducing these two equations into linear equations. That means here let us take this 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b. Okay. So then that equation will be changed to as 15a plus 60b is equals to 1, and the second equation is changed to what? 8a plus 16b is equals to 1 by 3. Okay. Here the first equation will be changed to 15a plus 60b is equals to 1, and the second equation has been changed to 8a plus 16b is equals to 1 by 3. Okay, my dear students, here let us just simplify here. 3 8s are 24a plus 3 16s are 48b is equals to 1. Here this 15a plus 60b is equals to 1. Now my dear students, here if you observe these two equations here, we solve this equation by using what? Substitution method, right? That means this 15a is equals to 1 minus 60b, 1 minus 60b, so a is equals to 1 minus 60b by 15, 1 minus 60b by 15. Let us substitute this. A is equals to 1 minus 60b by 15 in equation 2. So before that we take this equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay. Now I will write substitute a in equation 2. Okay. Now my dear students, 24 into what is a? 1 minus 60b by 15 plus 48b is equals to 1. 24 into 1 minus 60b by 15 plus 48b is equals to 1. Okay. Now here 3 table 5 times, here 8 times. So that means 8 into 1 minus 60b, 8 into 1 minus 60b by 5 plus 48b is equals to 1. Okay. Let us multiply with 8 now. That means 8 into 1, 8 minus 8 is 8 60s are 480b by 5 plus 48b what is equals to 1. Okay. Here my dear students, this 8 minus 480b plus 548 sir, 240b whole by 5. So let us send this 5 to this side, that is equals to 5. 1 into 5 is 5. Okay. Now my dear students, this is 8 minus 480 plus 240 is minus 240b is equals to 5. So minus 240b is equals to 5 minus 8. So minus 240b is equals to minus 3. So b is equals to minus 3 by minus 240. So 3 into 240 how many times? 80 times. So b is equals to 1 by 3. Finally we get the value of b. So that is 1 by 80. The value of b is 1 by 80. So my dear students, what is b actually? B is the speed of the car. Therefore the speed of the car is equals to 80 kilometers. So the speed of the car is equals to 80 kilometers. Why? 1 by y is equals to what? Here y is equals to 80 km per hour. So we take 1 by y is 1 by 80. So y is equals to 80. Therefore the speed of the car is equals to 80 kilometers. Okay. Now let us find the speed of the what? Train also. Okay. Here let us substitute this b is equals to 1 by 80. I am really very sorry, here the board is not enough to write. Okay, here I have small space, please cooperate with me. Right. Here the speed of the car is equals to 80 kilometer. Now let us substitute in this equation. That means A is equals to 1 minus 60 into, what is B here? 80 by what? 15. 1 minus 60 into B by 15. Okay, A is equals to 1 minus 60 into B by 15. Here actually A is equals to what? 1 minus 60 into B is 1 by 80. 1 by 80 whole by 15. Okay. So A is equals to, the 0 0 get cancelled, that is 1 minus 6 by 8 whole by 15. So A is equals to 8 minus 6 by 8 into 1 by 15. This will be reciprocal now. Look here students. 8 minus 6 by 8 by 15. So this second fraction will be reciprocal, that is 1 by 15. So A is equals to 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 by 8 into 1 by 15. So 2 in 8 4 times. So this is equals to 1 by 4 into 15 is what? 60. So my dear students, A is equal to 1 by 60. That means 1 by x is equals to 1 by 60. Therefore x is equals to 60. So what is x? Speed of the what? X means speed of the train. Therefore the speed of the train is equals to 60 kmph, kilometer per hour. Here also kmph, 80 kilometer per hour. Okay. So this is about this second question. I hope you understand this. Please go through this sum. Last question in this exercise. The question is like this. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. Okay, that means 2 women and 5 men. 2 women and 5 men can finish an embroidery work in how many days? 4 days. While 3 women and 6 men can finish in 3 days. Just they finish in 3 days. Okay. So this is the case here. 2 women and 5 men can finish the work in 4 days, and 3 women and 6 men can finish the work in 3 days. Okay. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone and 1 man alone to finish the work. Okay. Let the time taken to finish 1 woman alone, WOMAN. Okay, alone is X number of days. Similarly, let the time taken to finish 1 man alone in Y number of days. Okay. To finish 1 woman alone in X days. That means part of work or piece of work that one woman can do in 1 day is equals to 1 by X. The part of work that one woman can do, the piece of work in 1 day is equals to 1 by X. Similarly, the piece of work that one man can do in 1 day is equals to 1 by Y. Okay, understand? So this type of sums we should convert that X days into part of work that one woman in 1 day, that is 1 by X. Similarly, the piece of work that one woman can do in 1 day is equals to 1 by Y. Like that we have to convert. Okay, now here according to the sum, 2 women, that means 2 women plus 5 men can do the work, finish the work in 4 days. That means piece of work that 2 women and 5 men can finish the work piece of work that 2 women and 5 women can finish the work in 1 day is what? 2 into 1 by x plus 5 into 1 by y is equals to, in 1 day, actually it takes 4 days, but in 1 day 1 by 4. So this is what? This is implies 2 by x plus 5 by y is equals to 1 by 4. This is equation 1. Similarly, my dear students, piece of work that how many women are here? 2 women and 6 men. 6 men what? Can finish the work in 1 day. In 1 day is equals to what? 3 into 1 by x plus 6 into 1 by y is equals to 1 by 3. So this is implies 3 by x plus 6 by y is equals to 1 by 3. This is equation number 2. Okay, my dear students. Now let us reduce these two equations into linear equations. How? Let 1 by x is equals to a and that 1 by y is equals to b. That means this first equation has been changed to 2a plus 5b is equals to 1 by 4. Similarly, this 3a plus what? 6b is equals to 1 by 3. Okay. Now, my dear students, just we will simplify here. Just multiply this 4 with 2a plus 5b and this 3 with 3a plus 6b. So, how? This is 4 into 2a, 8a plus 4 into 5, 20b is equals to 1. Similarly, multiply with 3. That means this is implies 9a plus 3 into 3, 9a plus 3, 6 are 18b. It is equals to 1. Okay. Now, if you observe the two equations here, the coefficients are different here. Okay. Here actually it is 8, here it is 9. Now what I do here is just multiply this equation with 9 and this equation with second equation with 8. Okay. That means 9 of 8a plus 20b is equals to 1 into 8. Similarly, this equation 2 we should multiply with 8. That is 8 of 9a plus 18b is equals to what? 1 into. So this is multiply with 9, no? So 1 into 9 here, 1 into 8. Now these equations are changed to what? 9 8s are 72a. This is 72a plus 9 20s are 180. 180b is equals to 9. Similarly, 8 9s are 72a plus 8 18s are 144. This is 144b is equals to 1 into 8 is 8. Okay, let us subtract now. Just here I have used what? Elimination method. So my dear students, 72a both get cancelled. 180 minus 144, that is 6. Here 7 minus 4, 3. 36b is equals to 1. So b is equals to 1 by 36. So here the value of b is 1 by 36. Now from equation, see that this equation is 1 here. This equation is 1. So from equation 1, my dear students, from equation 1 here, what is equation 1? 2a plus 5b is equals to 1 by 4. That means here this 2a plus 5 into b is 1 by 36 is equals to 1 by 4. Okay. So this 2a is equals to what? 1 by 4 minus 5 by 36. 1 by 4 minus 5 by 36. That means this 2a is equals to, here I will write, I'm sorry. Okay, here this 2a is equals to, again I will repeat here, 2a plus what? 5 into 1 by 36 is equals to 1 by 4 from this first equation. 2a plus 5b is equals to 1 by 4 is there now. So in that, let us substitute this b is equal to 1 by 36 there. That means 2a plus 5 by 36 is equals to 1 by 4. That means 2a is equals to 1 by 4 minus 5 by 36. Okay, this 2a is equals to, let us multiply this 1 by 4 with 9. That means 9 by 36 minus 5 by 36. So that means 2a is equals to 9 minus 4 is 4 by 36. Okay. So this 2a is equals to what? 4 by 36. 4 by 36. Okay, here it is 9 times. So 2a is equals to 1 by 9. So a is equals to what? This is 1 by 9. Right, a is equals to 1 by 18. Right. So actually what is a? A is here 1 by x is equals to a. Somewhere we have taken where? Yeah. Here this 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b. That means, so from this equation, my dear students, 1 by x is equals to 1 by 18. So x is equals to 18. That means how many days that what? How many days that woman alone, one woman alone can finish the work? 18 days. Okay. That means 18 days that one woman can finish the work alone, right? Similarly, b is equals to 1 by 36. That means in 36 days, that one man alone can finish the work. Okay, that means that 18 days, in 18 days, that one woman alone can finish the work. In 36 days, that one man alone can finish the work. So this is the last sum in this exercise. Actually, it takes more space to write this. Okay, please try to understand this question and repeatedly you watch this problem. Okay, thank you very much for listening to this entire chapter. I hope you understand all these sums in this exercise, linear equations in two variables. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and don't forget to write in the comment box. Thank you very much.